Welcome to my Jamaican YouTube channel. On this channel, I take you on a journey to explore the vibrant and rich culture of Jamaica. Whether you're a Jamaican living abroad, a curious traveler, or simply a lover of Caribbean culture, you've come to the right place. From our mouth-watering cuisine and infectious music, to our colorful festival and fascinating history, I showcase the best of Jamaica and give you an insider's look at our beloved island. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to experience the warmth, beauty, and spirit of Jamaica through my videos. Let's get started. Hey guys, welcome. Today I'm here holding a reasoning with Cecil. And you'll be doing this trade?
I've been doing this now about 40 years.
40 years?
Yeah.
Wow. What items do you make, Cecil?
Well, the only thing I don't make is statue, but anything else you want, I can make it.
Only statue you don't make?
I can make statue though, but I don't believe in statue, so I'm a Rasta man, you know?
Yes,
but anything else you want,
yeah,
I can create it, you know?
Nice, nice. So, how you learn the trade, Cecil?
Well, this work, I used to do mason work and carpenter work, but when I see this work, I said this the work, but this is like a pension trade, you know? When I reach certain years, as long as I can get the material and moving, breeze, clicking, still can do something, you know? That's why I love this trade.
Yes,
yeah.
yes.
And plus this chair is one like this in the world.
Yes.
I design myself, you know. But if you want your own design, I can build it. But I like the design.
Oh, you like do your own design?
But if you want your own design, I still can do what you want.
Yes. So who teach you the trade, Cecil?
Well, this was a friend of mine, you know. Long time ago, you know.
Yes.
But I know this kind of work, you know. This is a work where if the government really interested in it, we can make millions.
Yes.
But that's all the youth them, what you know, say, you know, do the little thing and,
yes.
and do them wrong.
Yes.
These are the shade of this to learn. Just want to get the market. When we get the market, we're gone.
You're good, yes.
Yeah.
So, what type of material you use?
This is oak. You ever hear about the oak, that Tarzan? Do you remember that movie with Tarzan?
Tarzan and Jane?
Yeah, this is oak.
Okay.
You tear it up.
Oak. Oh.
You tear it up and bring all you want. Yeah.
So you get this from the trees?
This from the tree, and this is from a vine. You strip it.
Oh, which tree you use?
Huh?
Which tree you use?
This is a whisk. Just a whisk. They call it scan the earth, you know?
Okay.
Yeah, so you grow off a tree. You always come down off a tree. So they call it. You understand?
Okay.
You feed off a tree, you know? But this is oak.
Okay.
And I tear it up, yeah.
You tear it up and
you have to look at certain time of the moon, in dark night.
Okay.
So if you look at it in moonshine, chichi gonna eat it. But when you look at it in dark night and preserve it with the seawater, use the seawater and preserve it the last part.
Okay.
So this chair, I'm gonna die left it, you know? Next 100 years.
Oh really? That's what I was gonna ask you next. How long it really lasts?
All the next 100 years, baby.
Wow.
You see cedar wood, cedar. I use cedar.
Oh, it's cedar.
So
wow.
This wood can never rock me, you know?
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Last
Have you ever thought?
Huh?
Have you ever thought about exporting it?
Well, I would like to if I get the market. Well, I'd like to send it all over the world.
Yes.
You know?
Yes.
World, you know?
But just in case somebody abroad decide that they want to buy, you would
make it
for them.
Drop right at
you would ship it for them.
Yeah.
Okay. You want to tell the people what number is it if they can reach to you,
my number,
Cecil, if they want to contact you?
Well, my number is 801 8500
8500, and it's Cecil, guys.
As I know, that's the wicker man.
The wicker man. Okay. All right. Guys, let me show you the chair one more time.
Yeah, next 100 years, you know?
Yes.
Never done.
Yes. How long this chair is gonna take you, though?
Well, this chair, well, really and truly, this kind of work, I don't go by time. When it's done, it's done. But
All
it's
right.
craft, you know. You just
Gotcha.
have to have patience, you know.
Gotcha.
You have patience and vision what you where
Yes.
you have to reach. You have to just
Yes.
work when it's done, it's done.
All right,
Take
all
that
right,
better. Yeah.
all right. Cecil, bless up yourself and
Love, my sister.
thanks for the
That's the bar.
opportunity.
Yeah.
Blessings.
And
Yeah.
I'm looking